Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable sharing and screenshots in Telegram chat. Now if you want to make your chat more private and you don't want the other party to start screen recording the chat or sharing the content in the chat or screenshotting the chat, this is how to set it to be secure. What I have to do is to click on the profile of that person you're chatting with and click on more, the three dots, and here you have to click on disable sharing. When you do that, what happens is it is going to disable sharing. There will be no screenshot and screen recording in this chat. No forwarding. Forwarding will be disabled, and you can't copy or save photos. You can't even copy the text. But unfortunately, this feature is only for Telegram Premium users. You have to subscribe to Premium to have this feature. So once you do that, it will disable sharing, and someone can screen record the chat, and the person can also screenshot the chat. So that's how you disable sharing on Telegram chat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.